Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and today we are going to do some cooking. A while back, I was invited to join this collab from Tony over at Kettle Kitchen called Noodle November, and I have a pasta dish that is one of my absolute favorites. It's a recipe that my friends and I used to make when we were teenagers. We'd have a sleepover, we would make this pasta. It was delicious. We were weird teens. Instead of going out and causing trouble, we were home making pasta. This is going to be a great collab with over 60 channels participating. I've already seen some really great stuff from Sunny's Place and Andale Homestead. Leanne from Mennonite Farms has yet to put hers up. That's coming later this month. But all of them will be down in a playlist link down in the description box, so don't forget to go check them out, watch their videos. And here's some extra incentive for watching those videos. Tony is going to be hosting on his channel on December 1st at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so that is 7 p.m. for us East Coasters. And he's going to be giving away a lot of prizes. And how do you qualify for those prizes? Watch these videos, leave comments in the box. It's going to be really great. So he's going to be giving away items left and right. So the more times you comment, and they have to be real comments, not just like exclamation point. Like, watch the video. You should watch the video, see the amazing things these creators are making, and leave a good comment in the box. And also, by the way, I noticed today that Tony is at 990 subscribers. He is just 10 subscribers away from hitting his 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead over there, show Tony some love. This was a great collab. There's been a lot of other ones like Jam It Up June, Croctober, things like that he's participated in or led. Go show him some love. He is a great creator, makes some really good food. And this time he made the pasta from scratch. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I am making, and that is a creamy lemon primavera. Now, the one drawback to this is that I don't have a recipe. This is just something that my friends and I threw together as teenagers. I think we initially had a recipe, but it's evolved and changed so much over the years. I don't have a recipe. I use the part method. So if I use 1 scoop of something to 2 scoops of something else. So I will show you that as we get going. But first thing I'm going to do is I have a zucchini and a yellow summer squash. These are both from my garden. This was the very last of the harvest. Yes, it's November and I was picking zucchini this weekend. The frost has pretty much finished them off, so we're gonna get to use these. Also, I have here some snow peas. Unfortunately, I didn't plant fall peas this year, so I had to get some from the grocery store. So we've got some of those, and I'm gonna slice them up really thin, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I sliced up about half of the zucchini and summer squash. I'm only cooking for myself, so this is actually a 2-person portion. This is for dinner tonight, lunch tomorrow. And as you can see, I've got them sliced very thin. So you can almost see through this one. Nice and thin, that way they cook up really fast. All right, let's get over to the stove. All right, so we're gonna get started heating up the pan. I also have some water on to boil here. I'm gonna throw a little olive oil in that pan. Let that start to get warm. And throw in our veggies. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. And we're not going to cook these too much. We're just going to get them just to where they start to cook down a little bit. And we're going to heat a little. For this dish, I'm using a Barilla rotini pasta. I actually prefer to use fusilli, but that's okay. This will do just fine. And again, I'm making 2 portions, so I'll give about 3-4 handfuls. Should give more than enough in case I'm a little extra hungry at lunch tomorrow. So I'm going to turn the heat off, and I am going to let it sit in this pan just for a little bit, just because there are a couple pieces that haven't totally cooked through, but they'll do just fine here on this hot pan. There we go. Let that sit. All right, back to the table. All right, so for this dish, we have some part skim ricotta cheese, Greek yogurt, plain, lemon pepper spice, lemon juice, and cornstarch. I'm gonna do 1 part ricotta to 2 parts yogurt. Then we've got 1 big squirt of lemon juice, and this part is to taste. Lemon juice and the lemon pepper spice. I usually give it a pretty hefty sprinkle there right on the top. That should be about enough. Now, I'm someone who actually likes a lot of lemon pepper spice in there, but not everybody does. And then I didn't bring a separate spoon for my cornstarch, so I'm going to kind of eyeball it. But basically about a tablespoon of cornstarch. That's actually a little more, sorry. And then you're just going to go ahead and give it a good mix. So why the cornstarch? The cornstarch actually is what will keep the yogurt and the cheese from curdling when it hits the pasta. So I'm going to give that good. I'm going to give this a little bit more lemon and a little bit more lemon pepper, because I can tell that it's not quite the right consistency. So there we go. I'm gonna give it a little more. See, I like things really lemony. This could be too much for somebody else. There we go. That looks about right. And now we just have to wait for the pasta to be done. So there you have it. There's my creamy lemon Primavera, and there really is no recipe. Just remember the parts method. It is 2 parts plain Greek yogurt to 1 part ricotta, and then lemon juice and lemon pepper to taste, with about a teaspoon of cornstarch just to keep that consistency, keep it from getting all curdled up when it hits the hot pasta. But this is vegetarian right here. You could go ahead and make it better, add some tofu in there. You can stir fry some tofu in with the veggies. You can also throw in some chicken into this. I've done chicken with this and it's been delicious. So thank you guys very much. Don't forget to go check out all the other videos in Noodle November. It's down in the playlist, down in my description box. I'm gonna go eat dinner. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.